Looking for easy, refreshing desserts this summer? Today we're showing you 3 absolutely delicious treats. First up is a classic with a tropical twist, mango Shrikhand. Start by tying fresh curd in a muslin cloth and let it hang for 3-4 hours or preferably overnight to remove all excess water. Meanwhile, peel, chop and puree ripe mangoes. Now cook this puree for about 6 to 8 minutes, then let it cool to room temperature. Once your hung curd is ready, transfer it to a bowl and add the mango puree. Now add powdered sugar, saffron soaked in a little milk, chopped almonds, pistachios and some dried rose petals. Now mix everything until smooth and creamy, refrigerate for some time and your mango Shrikhand is ready to serve, chilled and luscious. Now let's make a unique and elegant dessert, Litchi Baked Yogurt. Now take about 8 to 10 litchis, peel and chop them into small pieces. In a bowl, add condensed milk, yogurt, fresh cream and a dash of vanilla essence. Now whisk everything together until smooth and creamy. Now fold in the chopped litchis. Pour this mixture into chai glasses or ramekins. Cover them with foil. Now place these in a baking tray filled halfway with water. This helps in even baking. Now bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Let them cool and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Serve chilled for a soft custard-like dessert with burst of lychee sweetness. And finally, the old-time favorite Bengali dessert, Mishti Doi. Now heat a kadhai and add sugar, let it melt and caramelize completely. Once caramelized, carefully add milk and stir until all the lumps dissolve. Let this mixture cool until lukewarm. In another bowl, whisk hung curd until smooth. Now slowly add the lukewarm caramel milk, mixing continuously. Now add some milk powder and mix well. Pour this into an earthen pot. Now take a heavy vessel, place a towel at the base and keep the pot on top. Cover with foil, wrap with the towel and cook on low heat for about 20 minutes. Check if it's set, then refrigerate for around 5 hours and your rich caramel flavored Mishti Doi is ready to enjoy. And there you have it, 3 easy delicious desserts perfect for summer or just treating yourself. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie for more amazing recipes.